Hello and welcome to my introduction to SAP Enterprise Asset Management series. This is the first of a series of videos that will go through a step-by-step process of configuring SAP EAM. To start us off, we're going to look at the general organizational units in SAP, and specifically the ones related to plant maintenance. So let us go ahead and configure the first three organizational units. These are the company code, controlling area, and the plant. To configure the company code, we go to SPRO, then to IMG, then to enterprise structure, then to definition, financial accounting, and then we are going to edit, copy, delete, or check company code. So we select that, and then we are going to go to the second activity. We are going to edit company code, data, and what we have here is a list of company codes that have already been created. So in our case, we are going to make a new entry, and we are going to give our company a code. It's going to be BRI, then the name is Bridges IQ. We have additional data that we need to populate. The first one is the city, then we have the country, currency, and finally the language. So once all this is populated, we are going to save, and then we see we have additional fields that need to be populated. For the purpose of this illustration, I'm not going to populate all the fields. You can go ahead and populate them as needed. The only field that I'm going to populate is the country field. The reason being that it's a mandatory field. So I enter US, and then we are prompted to save that customizing request. Go ahead and enter, and now our company has been created. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to define some global parameters for the company code, and that is done by going to Financial Accounting New, then to the Financial Accounting Global Settings, Global Parameters for Company Code, and then finally we need to enter global parameters. So we have a list of companies that are in the system, and we should be able to see the company that we have just created. So we're going to scroll down. We are looking for BRI. That's further down. So we are looking for BRI, and here it is. That is Bridges IQ Oceanside. So we click on it, and we have a number of fields that need to be populated. But for the purpose of this illustration, the two fields that are most important in this screen that we have here are the chart of accounts and the fiscal year variant. So we are going to populate chart of accounts. Again, this is kind of a directory of all ledger accounts, and we'll go to US. That is down here. So again, we go to fiscal year variant, and that kind of defines the fiscal year and posting period. And we can select any of this. In my case, I'm going to select calendar year with 4 special periods. That's K4. So once that is done, we are ready to save our global parameters for the company code. So we go ahead and save, enter, and we have been able to create our company and company code. So in the next video, we are going to create the controlling area and then assign the company code, the company that we have just created, to that controlling area. So see you in the next video.